Morning. Hi guys, I'm gonna say.
We are praising the Lord. How are you? Can our Lord Jesus bless you?
Oh, thank you, Siri. Thank you. Why are you sitting in there? You're supposed to be like doing something. Like, why did we leave with you in the house? Tabudu neomba. Tabudu neomba. Usapedza chikafu kana wajigamano noko wajigamano noko totokudza chokwadi
hazvingazodyunono kunze
aiwa ezvo tiri muSouth Africa toita zvemuno Caroline Rome, you do what the Romans do. Guys, Mom can say team. And I was out to get 2 minutes.
Imagine if you go to town.
Mom can say, guys. Mom can say. Morning, Mom can say, team. Mom can say, if you say Saturday, not Saturday. If you say Saturday, how are you? Tangatango Muko, my saying, no problem. I think it's a little joking. Don't watch a girl to mother. Guys, look at this. This is so nice. And how could you get him? Like Tinatinda Wadi. They have. I say you. We muise mubin kana mapedza kudya please. Anditi
because tinozorambidzwa kuuya nechikafu panapa.
zviri kushata ndagona kubika zviri kunaka. God bless. Ndivura windo rekuno. Zviri kunaka. I should didn't count. As weird as it is. Because like I think I packet here my key lights and I think the rest of them maybe about 10. And now count out my combination gang.
And you know that in Chile Australia.
Chile Australia?
Yeah. So the next time we're going bigger food.
So we're bigger for torrent. Because what I'm like saying, rice younger each man did it. But I'm going to see my soup. Naganisisina soup. Muna, is it still Maxwell Drive? No, it's gonna do with Cobb. It's gonna do with Cobb. Sunning Hill. Sunning Hill. Tangoti titi vari kutsvaga mabasa vai tingopaoka hopo kwekungoti chero ukaregedza kupikiwa uri parod muzuva ranhasi at least unodzokerawo kumba wadya something anosvika nehasha kumba uku kuti haana kupikiwa because you know majority of those guys are standing there and hoping that vamwe vanofamba like you get people vanodarika pamidrand paipai vachifamba vachinda kuna natembisa kuna nawini. So some of them walk to these places and they stand there for the whole day and they don't eat, they don't do anything. So it's just a way of giving back to the community. I think it's should go now. Sakachazama kushita via actually next stew. So maybe in 2 weeks time again. So gonna go sangana or put it to bigger food and then we find a different location and we give other people also. I know Sis Melly is doing something on Monday in Rustenburg. So I want to know Rustenburg, here and there. So guys, but we should be grateful that you've got food on the table, you've got food in the fridge, you have something. And this is us trying to give hope and to remind someone that people do care. I think but we do care. Share as Christians, as people who love each other, as Ubuntu. It's just you giving back to someone and telling them that it's okay. It might not make sense now, but I understand. I don't have much to give you, but I understand. Oh, batane apapa ijiga oh chakati. Wono chokujiga bana kuti you. And then we are recording. I don't go to Leno, it was going to be much better. Say, question no. I didn't call the problems. I didn't call. I thought you had to say I understand your situation. And things were hard, and sometimes you just need someone to remind you. It doesn't make sense at this moment of time, but I understand your situation, and I'm just showing you that there are people who care out there, and we do care. But we do care. So I'm just so I'm just going to find out and then go and meet up on my robots. vachitraga rubbish for food, and then we just give them the bread that is left over, and then we'll take it from there. But please do enjoy the rest of your day. And like Ellen says, be kind to one another. We should be kind to one another always. And Ananzan is DI. The Anan's DI packet. Ananzan, that's South African. Yeah, that's South African guy. He doesn't care if you're white, if you're black, if you're a foreigner, if you're anything. He will feed you, he will take care of you. And can we just spread that love? It doesn't matter if you're to meet someone in need, pay. Yeah, let's just spread the love. Can we spread the love then? For us to continue to spread negativity, can we spread the love? Like, truly speaking, for me, I just want to see everyone happy. I wish I was like super rich and I would be like having like shelters, you know, like those films that you see overseas, where people have got shelters, they go sleep. I would create my own shelter, like have people come sleep there and provide food for them, or soup or something, just to give some people help. And I hope Tisha Chicago one day you can go to, we just love each other. I just struggle like an old Adipatil and something, and you know you've got maybe with that 2 kg rice kind of something. No, I'll pay for it. Can we have that? I want to see that everywhere. I want to see that everywhere. Can we have that? Sometimes oh, very that time, the last time we gave food and eating. Yeah. Can we have that thing, guys? Yeah, you could see. I think a lot of. Okay, he's coming my side. Hello.
Thank you.
Ciao. Let's have that thing, guys. Have you ever been in a shop and eating, and then card runs declined, and the one out and for, and you know you have the money? It's fine, I'll pay for it. Where sometimes you're in a shop, no, I thought it was this price, and then what bad data iwewe. I want that. I want that love from people to say, Atina edu shakawanda, Atina edu. We cannot give Sana alien cannot my 10,000, cannot my 5,000 US dollars, but or Sana BI sometimes it gives like 2,000, 4,000. But the small 100 rand you have will bring a smile on someone else's face. It will lighten up their day. Sometimes no watch that sign. Can I my sign wageta says so? I just want to know that you hear my prayers. I just need you to show me that you hear my prayers. You won't go shika or swipe up with so won't go tea. It's okay. I think I never and she's watching the gatenga nyama 20 rand and gonna check and gatenga food. It's fine, I'll pay for it. Or she's working on a chingo or something. Or sometimes on the road you've got something. You want to buy chicken licken or KFC or chicken in or anything that you want to buy, and you go like, no, and that you got piece 1, must have got my piece 2. Why don't I give this person something? I want that. I want that in the world. I want that love. Yeah, you could see. It doesn't matter whether it's 10 rand, whether it's 20 rand. I just want you to be able to say to someone, oh, because the moment I get out to my Jehovah and just corner. What is the water? Hello. Just imagine, okay guys, that guy is an example. Anditi apiwa chingwa akafunga umwe munhu akati bhuti vangu varipo. Guys, I want that. Why don't we have that love yokuti unofunga umwe munhu kuti haapo, ari kufunga umwe munhu kuti musangope inini chete, bhuti vangu ava nawo chingwa ava nawo chikafu pavari, ndoda kunomuvigira. Asi chakanaka. That's what I want from people. I want us to learn. I'm challenging all of you right now who are watching or who are ever going to watch this live. I'm challenging you, given the opportunity. Shop something, offer to pay for it. I'm challenging you right now. I want you to learn to offer to pay for something. You can afford it. It's something I'm challenging you to go like, I will pay for it. It doesn't matter if it's 7 rand. It doesn't matter if it's cheap. I'm challenging you to pay for it. I'm not challenging big charity organization. I'm just challenging you to say and you know just take it. Just take the few things that you have on you and go give it to someone else. Like, I'm challenging you to do that. Become a cup 2 rice. Go give 2 people 2 plates or something, and you've done something, you've made someone happy. I want that. That's all I'm asking for this. How many days are left? I think we're like at 70 days left till end of 2020. It's been a hard year for all of us, and some people just need that hope. They just need that thing. People still care. People still care for them. Some people want that, and I hope that the message goes across. I love you guys. Please enjoy the rest of your Saturday, and it's on another second round, but let's just spread the love, guys. Can we spread the love to whoever? It doesn't matter who it is. Can we spread the love? Then I'm seeing this woman. Sabana ma? Elegay. And then we are good at it, Sis Baba. He told me that I never remember to dig down. Yeah. Sabanan, you saw Lane later, ne? Ranking, ne? I still have. We are away for robots, for via. Is he there?